A Lucky Mojo Bag is simple to create and very easy to carry. Here's what you'll need.
Start off with a green mojo bag. Green symbolizes luck and money, therefore is perfect for gambling luck. Get yourself a lucky hen root, some parchment paper, which you can use to inscribe symbols or words that can help you in luck and to win. You'll also need fast luck oil or gambler's oil. You'll need an amulet. My favorite one is the gambling charm. You'll also need basil and crystals like aventurine or tiger's eye. Anoint the charm, the crystal, and the lucky hen root with your oil of choice. Once you've anointed them, add them to your mojo bag. Feel free to sprinkle Lucky Hen sachet powder inside and on the outside of the green mojo bag.
Hold the mojo bag close to your heart and visualize yourself surrounded by money and winnings and say,
Spirit of fortune and abundance, let this mojo bag be a vessel of attracting prosperity and luck into my life. As I carry this sacred charm, may it draw financial blessings and positive energies. With faith and gratitude, I embrace the flow of prosperity into my life. So it is, and so it shall be.
Gambling is never a guaranteed win, and there's so many factors that can sway how things play out. But with these rituals and powerful products, you can stack the deck in your favor by showing up ready. I hope you can turn the tables and bring home the winnings you desire. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, stay positive, stay blessed, and stay original.